p.m. At 6 p.m., a line of showers and isolated severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Geneva to Newark, moving east at 35 miles per hour. A wind gust to 58 miles per hour was observed at Aurora Airport in Sugar Grove with these. Despite little to no lightning, there are isolated severe gusts with these showers. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Woodridge, Oswego, Batavia, Lockport, New Lenox, Palmer Glen, Mokina, Yorkville, Hinsdale, Vermont, Plano, Burr Ridge and Westmont. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 253 and 276. Interstate 80 between mile markers 130 and 142. Interstate 88 between mile markers 111 and 132. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 21. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, University of St. Francis, Aurora University, Benedictine University, Illinois Math and Science Academy, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's